peeling back AI's layers, triumphs and trials. TLDR. As AI emerges as a game-changing technology, it still grapples with its own limitations, from understanding human language to managing data bias. By diving deep into its current challenges, we shed light on its potential and the roadblocks to realizing its full promise. The fascinating world of artificial intelligence, AI, is akin to a double-edged sword. On one side, it promises transformation, heralding a new age where machines can mimic human intelligence. On the other, it presents its own set of challenges, some of which question the very essence of its capabilities. But, what really makes AI click and where does it falter? At its core, AI stands as a beacon of revolutionary technology. With its unmatched potential, it holds the promise to influence nearly every nook and cranny of our daily lives. However, every coin has two sides. What are the hurdles that AI needs to overcome to fulfill its promise? Common sense, for instance, isn't so common for AI. While a child might inherently understand not to touch a hot stove, an AI system lacks this innate knowledge. It needs explicit programming or experiential learning to grasp such basic concepts. Data bias poses another significant challenge. An AI model is only as good as the data it's trained on. Feed it skewed data, and it reflects those biases, sometimes amplifying them to a dangerous extent. Discrimination, intentional or not, becomes a pressing concern. Adding to its list of challenges is its struggle with ambiguity. A partially concealed object might be easy for humans to recognize, but for AI, it's like navigating in the dark. This makes real-world applications, where data isn't always complete, a challenging affair. Change is constant, but AI struggles in dynamic environments. The very algorithms that drive its decision-making can get trapped if sudden changes occur. Imagine the ramifications in critical applications like self-driving cars. Yet, despite these challenges, AI's allure remains. Its ability to process and comprehend natural language, albeit with limitations, is groundbreaking. Deep learning might require vast data sets to function optimally, but the advances it has brought about cannot be discounted. AI's application spreads across various industries, from robotics to music. It assists in healthcare diagnosis, crafts investment strategies in finance, and even creates musical compositions. But with great power comes great responsibility. Questions of ethics, responsibility, and job displacement surround AI's rapid ascent. Who takes the blame when a self-driving car errs? And as AI encroaches on human roles, what happens to job security? Undeniably, AI's growth story is intertwined with challenges. As we envision a future dominated by this technological marvel, it's essential to recognize and address its limitations. For, in doing so, lies the path to realizing its vast potential. As we stand on the cusp of an AI-dominated era, we ought to ponder, are we ready to fully harness AI's capabilities, and more importantly, are we prepared to face its challenges head-on? First seen at Tech Bullion. Question for discussion: with AI's rapid advancements, how do we ensure that its ethical considerations are always at the forefront of its applications?